Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today I'm going to show you how we turn the AFS mode on and off in a car. So I'm in Lexus here, and most cars have this AFS, right? And it's very easy. I'm going to show you the DIY. Okay, remember the AFS is the adaptive front right system. So I'm going to press this button here. Okay, scroll until I find the AFS. This AFS is a special feature that helps you when you are driving at night. Then you are turning your steering to either right or left. It goes as you turn. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on and also off here. So after turning to the AFS, you can use this button to make it on and also off. It's that easy to do in your car. You can try out and see.